In this video, I'm going to show you what strategies are on TradingView and how you can add them to your own chart. So first of all, we need to look at the indicator button here. And once we click on that, we need to move in down to the technicals. Once there, you can pick on a strategy which is ideal for you. You can use the parabolic SAR strategy, for example. And once we've clicked on that, you can see that below our chart, this box has now appeared. Before we get to that though, look at the chart. This is a strategy that is running and would show you how it would be executed. So there's a parabolic SAR, and you can see at this point, this was a long position. So you can left click on this. You can see this arrow here. That was a long. This here was a short. So a short position here, and you can see where it exits. Now, this is how you can see it on your chart. What you can do as well is at the bottom of your screen, you can click on strategy report. Now, a strategy report showcases you the trades. So this is the type, the exit, the entry, and you get so much more data. You can also filter this for the range, custom as well, and you can see the return on the particular strategy just by scrolling down. You can also see the metrics. So the metrics is the total P&L is a loss of $4, max equity drawdown $84, 723 trades, 33 of them were profitable. Now this may not be ideal, but you could add a strategy that may suit your own personal preferences. So once you click on that strategy, you can essentially run it if you're connected with a live account as well. You can get some more data. So for example, profit structure, performance metrics, the initial capital, which is around here, open P&L, the loss, so much more details, even the trades analysis. So P&L distribution, win-loss ratio, and so much more detail. You could also create your own, but for now, we're just showing you how to add a strategy to your TradingView chart. You could follow it if you'd like, but it purely does depend on what you would do as well. So this is a very fast way of how to add a strategy on your TradingView chart.